Inside Honda Factory, the secret behind world's most reliable cars. Part 1. Final extended, heavy version. Before a Honda becomes a machine trusted across the world, before it carries millions of people every single day, its journey begins far away from roads, speed, or motion. It begins in silence. Not the silence of emptiness, but the silence of precision. Inside the world of Honda, everything is built on control. Nothing is random. Nothing is rushed. Nothing is left to chance. The first stage begins with raw material. Huge industrial coils of steel and aluminum arrive at the factory floor. They are heavy, cold, and completely lifeless in appearance. But in Honda's system, even this basic stage is treated with extreme importance, because what enters here determines everything that comes later. Every sheet of metal is inspected before it is allowed to continue. Advanced scanning machines examine microscopic details invisible to the human eye. Structural consistency, density variation, internal stress points. Everything is analyzed in seconds. Even a single invisible defect is enough for rejection. Because in this system, fixing mistakes later is not acceptable. Mistakes are eliminated before they are born. Once approved, the transformation begins. Flat sheets of metal move into massive press machines. These machines are designed with controlled force so precise that they can reshape solid steel into complex automotive components within seconds. With each impact, flat surfaces become structured forms, doors take shape, panels are defined, frames begin to exist. Every curve is intentional, every edge is calculated, every angle serves a purpose. Even the smallest deviation, less than a fraction of a millimeter, can affect aerodynamics, fuel efficiency, stability, and safety. So precision is not optional, it is mandatory. From here, the process moves into a more complex stage. Robotic systems begin assembling the structure of the vehicle. Mechanical arms move with synchronized perfection, lifting components, aligning them, and welding them together. Sparks appear briefly in the air, then disappear. Metal fuses permanently. What looks like chaos from a distance is actually one of the most controlled environments in modern manufacturing. Every movement is timed. Every action is coordinated. Every step depends on the next. But what makes Honda different is not just automation. It is the balance between machines and humans. Engineers and skilled technicians remain deeply involved throughout the entire process. They do not simply monitor production. They actively improve it. Every small inefficiency is analyzed. Every movement is questioned. Every system is refined, because Honda operates on a principle that defines its entire identity: continuous improvement. There is no perfect enough, only better than before. As the structure begins to take shape, the complexity increases. The skeletal frame of the vehicle is formed as individual components are joined together. This stage determines the entire foundation of the car: strength, balance, structural integrity. If anything is misaligned here, the impact will remain for the entire lifespan of the vehicle. That is why inspection is extremely strict. Advanced laser measurement systems scan thousands of reference points across the structure. Angles are checked. Distances are verified. Symmetry is confirmed with microscopic accuracy. At the same time, human inspectors perform parallel evaluations. They walk around the structure. They observe alignment from different angles. They feel surfaces, edges, and joints. Because not everything can be understood through numbers alone. Sometimes experience reveals what machines cannot detect. Behind all of this, a continuous digital system operates silently. Every machine is connected. Every process generates data. Every movement is recorded and analyzed in real time. If even a slight deviation appears, the system corrects it immediately. Not after production, not after failure, but instantly. This creates a production environment that does not depend on correction, but on prevention. And slowly, the transformation becomes undeniable. What began as raw metal sheets has now become a fully formed body frame, strong, precise, perfectly aligned. It has structure, it has engineering, it has presence, but it is still incomplete. There is no color, no identity, no energy inside it yet. Because everything so far has only been the foundation. The real transformation is still waiting ahead. Part 2, where engineering becomes life. The unfinished body frame moves forward in silence, entering one of the most controlled environments in the entire production system. Here, everything changes. Temperature, air quality, humidity, even dust particles are controlled with extreme precision. because this is where a machine begins to gain identity. Before any color touches the surface, the body goes through deep preparation. Multiple protective layers are applied to prevent corrosion, oxidation, and long-term damage. These layers are invisible, but essential, because a Honda is not built just for appearance. It is built for time, for years of use, for changing weather, for real-world conditions. Then begins the transformation that defines its visual identity. Paint. Robotic systems move around the body with smooth, calculated motion. Every spray is controlled. Every angle is measured. Every layer is applied with absolute consistency. The paint is not just sprayed, it is engineered. Layer by layer, the surface begins to change. Depth is created. Reflection becomes smoother. The structure starts to look less like raw metal and more like a finished product. But perfection here is extremely fragile. Even a single dust particle can ruin the entire process. That is why the environment is tightly sealed, filtered, and controlled at every level. When the process is complete, the difference is immediate. What was once industrial and rough now looks refined, polished, defined, alive. But appearance alone is not enough, because true identity comes from within. Deep inside another section of the factory, the most critical components are being assembled. The engine. This is the heart of the machine. Here, human precision plays a central role. Technicians carefully assemble each component with extreme focus. Every bolt is tightened to exact torque specifications. Every part must align perfectly within microscopic tolerance, because this is where performance begins. This is where reliability is born. For hybrid and electric systems, the process becomes even more advanced. Battery modules are constructed under strict conditions. Electronic control systems are integrated seamlessly. Software and hardware merge into a single intelligent unit. Everything must respond instantly. Everything must function as one system. This is where Honda evolves, where traditional engineering meets modern intelligence. Then comes one of the most important stages in the entire process. The union, the body, built through discipline, and the powertrain, built through precision, are brought together. In a perfectly synchronized process, the structure is lowered, aligned, and connected. In seconds, separate systems become one machine. Now, it is no longer just a structure, it is a functioning vehicle. From here, attention shifts to the interior. Seats are installed with exact positioning. Controls are placed for intuitive use. Displays activate and synchronize with the system. Every detail is designed around the human experience. Not luxury for show, but functionality for life. Honda's philosophy becomes clear at this stage. Simplicity over excess. Purpose over decoration. Function over complexity. Everything inside the cabin has meaning. Nothing is unnecessary. As the vehicle nears completion, one final stage remains. Testing. This is where everything is proven. Water is sprayed under high pressure from every direction to test sealing integrity. Any leak, no matter how small, leads to rejection. Brake systems are tested repeatedly under extreme conditions. Acceleration and stopping performance are analyzed again and again. The vehicle is driven across simulated environments that replicate real-world roads, rough surfaces, sharp turns, sudden stress conditions. Sensors capture every detail. Engineers analyze every response, because reliability is not assumed. It is verified. Every system must prove itself under pressure. Every component must perform exactly as designed. Only after passing all stages of testing, only after meeting every standard without exception, does the vehicle move forward. And finally, the moment arrives. A finished Honda rolls off the production line, clean, precise, reliable. What began as raw metal has become a machine trusted across the world. But behind this moment is not just manufacturing. It is discipline. It is philosophy. It is decades of refinement, repeated every single day. Because Honda does not simply build cars, it builds trust through precision. And that is why, on roads everywhere, a Honda is never just seen as a vehicle. It is seen as reliability in motion.